Understanding, a clear view, in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the exciting world of English expressions. Today, we're exploring the phrase, a clear view. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your fluency, this phrase is a gem for your vocabulary treasure chest. A clear view is a phrase that paints a picture of unobstructed sight. It implies that you can see something without any barriers or hindrances. But it's not just about physical sight. Metaphorically, it can mean understanding something clearly. When the fog of confusion lifts, and you understand a concept fully, you have a clear view of it. How do we use this phrase in real-life contexts? Let's take a look. 1. Observation. From the top of the hill, we had a clear view of the entire city. 2. Understanding. After she explained it to me, I had a clear view of the problem. 3. Opportunities. His unique skills gave him a clear view of opportunities in the field. The beauty of language lies in its versatility. Here are some variations of a clear view. Clear vision, often used to describe future planning or aspirations. Clear insight, typically refers to a deep understanding of a complex issue. Clear perspective, this can denote a balanced or unbiased viewpoint. English is rich with idioms. Here are a few that relate to clarity of sight or understanding. See the forest for the trees, recognizing the bigger picture rather than getting lost in the details. 20/20 vision, seeing perfectly or understanding something with total clarity. Look at something through rose-colored glasses, to see only the positive aspects, ignoring the negative. And that's a clear view on a clear view. We hope this video has cleared up any confusion and added a new expression to your English toolkit. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be seeing and understanding English expressions with perfect clarity. Until next time, happy learning!